There's one quick check I always make first. It's easy to overlook because nothing usually looks wrong. The balance is there, transactions go through, everything feels normal. But that's exactly why I don't like making assumptions when it comes to smart contracts. Every time a wallet interacts with DeFi, permission can be created in background. At that moment, it seems completely routine. Transaction finishes, protocol works, and that's the end of it. Except, it usually isn't. Permissions can stay active long after the interaction is over, and that's where things start getting interesting. Protocol that looked completely legitimate months ago can change over time. Sometimes the team disappears, sometimes a project gets abandoned, sometimes contract is exploited or turns into something nobody wants to stay connected to anymore. If that permission is still active, it can become an unnecessary risk for wallet. I've seen enough examples of users losing their crypto because of contracts they signed a long time ago. Wallet itself wasn't broken, but old permission was still active when it shouldn't have been. That's exactly the type of situation I want to avoid. So instead of hoping everything is fine, I just verify it.
Process works with Trust Wallet, TronLink, MetaMask, Phantom, and basically any wallet running on EVM-compatible networks or TRON, so the wallet doesn't really matter here. A few weeks ago, I decided to look for a better way to review wallet permissions before moving assets around. I compared different options, spent some time testing them, even used AI to help narrow everything down, and eventually landed on this scanner. So instead of manually checking contracts one by one, it analyzes the wallet, builds a complete list of active permissions, points out anything that deserves attention, and lets me remove approvals from the same interface. After putting it through a few tests on different wallets, it became part of the way I maintain every wallet I use. So first step here, I disconnect my wallet.
Okay, now Scanner is analyzing every active smart contract that's currently authorized. Good, scan is finished and I can see every active permission associated with this wallet. A few contracts are already marked with a higher risk level, and those are exactly the ones I want to review first. Warning doesn't automatically mean something bad is happening right now, but it tells me those permissions deserve attention instead of being left alone indefinitely. For me, if a contract no longer has a reason to keep access, I don't leave it connected. I'd rather clean everything up now than discover later that an outdated permission became the weak point. Alright, done. Everything completed successfully, unnecessary permissions gone. Now my wallet is clean and only the connections I actually want to keep are still active. That's really the biggest advantage of doing this. I don't have to wonder whether old contract that looked perfectly fine months ago has quietly turned into a risk over time. Quick scan shows exactly what's still connected, and a few clicks remove anything that no longer belongs there. That gives me a lot more confidence every time I use this wallet because I know outdated permissions aren't sitting in the background with unnecessary access. So that's everything I wanted to show. Hopefully seeing the process from start to finish made it clear how simple it is. If there's anything I didn't cover, just leave a comment and I'll take a look. Thanks for your time.